Today we'll talk about how can you disable push notifications on your Quizlet app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Quizlet app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on your settings, just click on it here. Then you come to this list, and all you have to do, just come to push notifications here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color here, it's gone. That's mean push notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.